Hello and welcome. I'm Rabbi Hassan from Online Money Career, and today we are going to start a new lesson which is called Free Facebook Marketing. Lessons by Rabbi Hassan from Online Money Career. And so let's get started. What is Facebook marketing? Doing all type promotion using Facebook is Facebook marketing. All type promotion means you offers promotion, service promotion, product promotion, any type promotion in Facebook is Facebook marketing. Okay, how many types method Facebook have for marketing? There are two types method Facebook have for marketing. One is paid ads and paid marketing, and the second is free marketing only for expert. Why I write only for experts? Okay, I will explain it later. Let's explain paid ads or paid marketing. What is paid ad on Facebook? You can run a campaign on Facebook. Actually, you can run an ad on Facebook, and to run the ad on Facebook, you have to pay to Facebook for that. Okay, so and for now we have no money to invest on invest, so we have to do the free marketing. And the good news is, suppose a single person run a Facebook ad and earn $100 investing actually $50 to $60. Okay, $50 to $60 and earn 100 or $110 $110. But if you do free marketing with hard work, yes, you have to do hard work and free marketing, but the result will be a satisfactory result. Yes, if anyone earned $110 investing $50 to $60 on the Facebook ad, then you will earn $60 to $75 without investing any money on Facebook. Yes, it's the truth. I know you are not going to trust me just because why it will be happen, why it will be happen. Facebook, why will allow Facebook you to sorry sorry for mistaking English, but I'm working on it. Okay, why Facebook will allow you to do the Facebook free marketing? They have the paid option, and you have if you want to do some marketing, then you have to pay Facebook for that. So why Facebook will allow to do the free marketing? Okay, in this section I have an answer. We will follow some Facebook rules to do the Facebook free marketing, and Facebook can't ban us. So okay, I will explain it more in the video. It's an introduction video that why Facebook will allow, how Facebook will allow, and all those stuff. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, the main question is in front. Why Facebook will allow us to do this? Yes. Okay, now I'm going to give the answer, that is yes, Facebook will allow us. What we will do in the with the rule with following all the rules on Facebook. We are not going to do any type of spam on Facebook. Okay, so that's why Facebook will allow us to do that. And second question is, it is going to be a is it going to be a spam? And again my answer is no, we are not going to do any type of spam. What niche will be perfect for free Facebook marketing? It is the most highlighted question ever in free Facebook marketing course or lessons, what you ever said. It is the most highlighted question ever. Okay, I just teaching the free Facebook marketing strategy on my coaching classes, and suddenly a student, all my students are asked me that, sir, what niche will be perfect for free Facebook marketing? And I said them, sir, please put some effort in your brain, put some pressure on your brain and get the answer. After 5 minutes they said, sir, sorry, we're actually not getting the right answer. And I said that every niche will be perfect for free Facebook marketing if you are expert on free Facebook marketing. Yes, I already said that to do the free Facebook marketing you have to do expert, and it is only for expert. Beginners are not allowed to do the free Facebook marketing. Okay, now the question is, sir, how we can be an expert? Just follow my all the videos in the on the playlist, include about the free Facebook marketing, and understand it, understand the strategies, understand the rules, understand what we can do and what we cannot. And after understanding all, set on your brain and just go and just do the free Facebook marketing without without understanding all the stuffs. Just don't start Facebook marketing, because you will if you do that, then you will be going to face a big failure on Facebook, and you are not going to make money with it. And if you're if the bad luck, if you're bad luck, then Facebook will ban you. Simply Facebook will ban your IP. So don't do free Facebook marketing without understanding all the strategies perfectly. Okay, does we are going to make money on this? Sir, I already said that we are going to make money on this. Without making money, we're not going to, because time is money. We invest our time to get some profit or get some money. So yes, of course we are going to make money with this. Go to the next slide. And how to do free Facebook marketing. Yes, we are already talking about how to do free Facebook marketing, and it's an introduction video of it. The and I will make a playlist which is called free Facebook marketing, and check out the playlist and learn. If you want to learn it perfectly, then just follow my all videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, step by step. Actually learn step by step to get the strategies on your head perfectly. Okay, let's go to the topic and how to do free Facebook marketing. Yes, to do the free Facebook marketing, you have to think like Facebook. Yes, you have to think like Facebook, you have to think like Mark Zuckerberg. It's a joke, but it's true. You have to think like Facebook. Second is, make your activity in Facebook like an Facebook ad. Yes, it's a highlighted work, it's a highlighted part on free Facebook marketing, and I will show you on the video, on the lesson, that how you can make your activity on Facebook like in a Facebook ad. And the third is, follow all the rules of Facebook. Of course you have to follow all the rules. Without following all the rules you can't do Facebook marketing, and it's I already said that. And last and in the least, don't cross your limits. Yes, if you cross your limit, Facebook will simply ban you from Facebook, and if you're bad luck, then Facebook will going to ban your IP too. So you must have to follow the rules, and you have to know what is your limit. Okay, so go to the next slide. Warning, 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 and warning. Yes, you have a big warning, so let's see what is warning. You must have to subscribe my channel and like my video, and you have to join my FB group, I mean Facebook group, and like my page to get free giveaway. Yes, it's the most important warning, warning, warning. You have to subscribe my channel to get more update content about free Facebook marketing. Yes, I every day I share a new video about online money earning, make money online topic. And on my channel I just publish my course personal strategies to make money online, which all are effective. I guarantee you, and I can bet you that no other YouTubers share all the stuffs with you. So, and you can, if you understand my strategy, if you follow my all the steps, then I I can guarantee you that you can make money online. Yes, I am giving you all the methods which is proven and tested by Rabbi Hassan, and that's me. So you have to subscribe my channel, like the video, and make an effective comment if you have any problem. And if you like the video, if you get any help from my video, just like my video. And to get my giveaway every Sunday, yes, more warning, that is the third warning, that is every Sunday I just share some paid things free with my subscribers, with my followers, with my Facebook group members, which is a giveaway. Every Sunday I will have a giveaway where I share some paid things with you, and you must need the giveaway to work flawless. So just join my group, like my page, and you can message me personally on my Facebook, and my Facebook profile link is on the description box. So no more today. Have a nice day. I'm Rabbi Hassan signing off for now, and see you in the next video. So till bye bye.